ama fene twa no ho asaba beto yembiem me kaidi onyame aya na bro madwene me ntiase so I don't know about you 2018 metena Facebook so for the whole year onyame ama me ho amasem sitting on this platform is not easy nti sa wotena ha na afene twa no ho koba beto a enye kom e wo sa wodi aseda ma Awurade me danyame ase ema metiefo nyina me damu nyina ase onyame nkoso nhira mo no mpagya mo mfa mo nyina yie me sere onyame se afi bi kɔ na wie ye no na de hon konkron ti ni mu na betena ni mu afi nkɔ na wie ye na de ni Kristo so mo nyina yie na ni Kristo so mo nyina yie afi nkɔ na wie ye na de won sacred properly na wa sacra afi nkɔ na wie ye na de yehia wa Awurade wo so obetwere yedi won kwanwom na wa kyerɛ egu enkwanwom no me da wonyame ase I thank God for your life me too kwan kakra me ni me kunu ye call vacation kakra nyankopon ya dum ode ya ba bedru en uhia me kunu da na sema me na ade ne say on pay show off ho anoto na ya nanti ya na me try say me tete camera pe o se mama jai put it off mama put it off kame ye madwe say de ekosu bia niam akoso pa kame twetwa bi ba on pesa or ye quiet person na misre wonyame so mfa amambeka me say oh Mr. Kame me 2 year no tiem me ye twa no ye be ja boys no me tira nye ye boys nko a me na me dem obaba akopɛ enti me ye madwe say me be ye man ye mom say put it down so what you say enti wo mama me kwan me kunu ye shy person on kasa obisi ni tira se krom pagya nti to get him cry in the pictures no ya na nye common so mo be ha picture ni bi wo cry o don feel say kakra say on feel me say chase wonye on pictures ni bi wo just me beg no o do me sro we kwa de capture wom no me twa enye common sa enu nti me damase me talkative I ka wono nko ha onya wodi ne betina ka mu from Kumasi to Paga on kasa o mfi kura o mfi mia na ja me kasa so what you say and you when be me set camera say mama you stop Jainya some sorry free miss you odo mate so what you say aha in fact onyame ayade we've been through a lot but Satan didn't go onyame apagya nensa onyame adi me ho afofi otintim mase ama manhwe ase otintim mase ama manfira dum no na menim se onyame a ode mahye dwuma paase no ode be wi asomdwem koso niema ekoso no nanka de wose nipa bi te na nye but Awurade adom okura yemu ama otumi ede yetwa Jordan here na me kasa ni munyam ene mo mpaibo mu bebre some people will be like Maame Anokyewaa, we are praying for you guys. We are praying for you guys. And your prayers has been answered. Onyame etie wo mpaibo. Misre onyankopon se. Onyame a watiem okokwo mu mpaibo a wo bɔ maame no. Ontie wo so die bi. De ekoso wo life mu bia onyame ontie. So what you say na onigye enwie wo peye enye komo. Me da onyame ase se wakeka ne mabom. Mamfa ne easy. But Jesus adin konim. Essence onim de oba be na wonam saye so ahye mabasa mu den wa say wa sheme den enye kom wa sheme den. Now I don't know what else the devil would do that will shake me. I don't know. Midim fkeke kora wo de beba e de shake me seriously because the one he brought no a shaky grounds but to make ngirima ngu from me da Jesus Christ ase me dana se wa ngirima ngu from na wa ma me da so tena hanom 2019 na de obone fo hyehye ammemmodofo wo hia Yesu Kristo a dana se ema me da me mane nyina nso ase they play their part very well nkoleye dijuma de unyame fa wo mu kasa all the time you think say woni nkola netie but ekwan unyame fa nkola no so kasa no ya ne bro adwene ntiase so me da Jesus Christ ase se wodi me ho afofi na dwuma yinti wamma me antobaha kofo mu jeja wo mu kunu no ware no enka obetia ne a change me din Maame Anokyewaa now she's Mrs. Adoye ye jadam Neja tom. Yes, I. Oja ini kuru da bay. Onyame amana masa because he wants me to do this job. And this job, when you're doing it, was so qualify. What you say, was see do scale no so in ni concert we wake up from. I was so jina brame. So what you say? Nti se bibi see. Nese scale the way we go from you won't qualify for this job. Me da Onyankopon ase se wo kura me mu na me tumi jina ye. Na anye ebusiafo we de the be ya wedding we de surprise wedding menya kunu bi o say hey Maame Anokyewaa Papa Loveless also now this time they call me Mrs. Adoya, you see ti wani baba ho so no na Kristo ni amimi kanya me asam na me ware politician nyame amana mas you know where I'm going on. I don't want to go there but from there so what you say aha ntimida Jesus Christ as so di me ho afofi misra onyame se obi bia wo go through challenges in marriage onyame nso ni mu because marriage idea it will send a lot of people in hell. Serious. This end time odo wa di agora one you are digging your own grave. Serious. No matter what happens, stick with your marriage. Don't move an inch, otherwise you will be in trouble. I'm not going to lie. Do not move an inch. Otherwise, you will be in trouble. Onyankopon ene ne mpanimfo anim. Ehoso di fa obi ntimi nka bi ma. And until no matter what is going on in your marriage, stick with it like glue. Don't move. Ya pamu kra menko. Serious. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. Some people don't know. They think they were serving Christ, but they were marching to hell because of their marriage. In Shirano, so one dear Unyame pe, and dear one pe in Shirano. In Shirano, say, when you bow so, in Shirano, say, Unyame dear see her done in the Ubofo, near bow coco. Say run for your life. And yes, I will never bow hostono you will be in a ditch. I'm not gonna lie. Jesus Christ made our say another so I'm a makonya. Na afi 2019. I'm a betna platform yisubim. Miss Rose, wa udi menimu platform yiso 2018 di me baby yano. One kasa send dimenim Jesus Christ. For me so na so ne kasa fa me mu mini asem wona wo asem ma minim die ni nyansa ye de kasa kire nipa dane na koma e de ma wo Christ ma oja eni menum asem achi ma me ketrema eja dem finfin a emu apaye eto nipa koma so eto akoma den so ne dane ma wo Jesus fa dom me ne kasa fa me mu se de wo ye ne de bia na me da wase so wodi nkonim wadom no nti amen. Therefore, it's not by my power, it's not by my strength. Before I come here, I pray to God. Me call vacation nina man kodeda ni diasa. I was in prayers too. Man fe niagro. Na me bompa yesre wede se 2019. What do you want me to do? So what di menim 2018 lead me again. I cannot do this with my power. With my strength, I can't do it. So me de me pay I will fall down. So please lead me and guide me. You know when you're din komo bebre. And I know, say, he will lead me and guide me. Na minim says will be a kojemwa. I fear yes see me when you maybe na me so him nipa na frigem. E wasumjem. Me come chirawo. Onyame onshira. We celebrate New Year. Yes, celebrating New Year no. It wasn't easy. Nya common. We celebrated Onyankopon adom. Everything was nice, and I know say now also oh dear you're nice. And one more thing, if to be brave, and I'm what's here New Year 31st night. What I will say, one thing that I will say, me too for, but I will say one thing. Say, yeah, remuno. Make sure say any garbage in your heart, you will throw it away. Yes. Adi be a wakomanim, any garbage, you be a yaw. Abeye garbage, a wakomanum. Who said to me lion for an abolaka for ne by yin facotum. Nema wumuni empty. Na fe yen shasi into 2019 and among. Na ye baby no one would you nyamiti me. So what you say, that's all I can say. And then me know baby dinko. Yes, you know baby dinko mo. Ewo dear last etimi eye nipa. And then I'm going all corners. You think say I'm going all corners. I know say God will lead me. Me go all corners. Everybody will have something here today. So call someone to come over so that we will speak the mind of God. We are marching through end time. We are in end time. And Jesus Christ is coming. Akaka krebi na totobento na shine. Popopum and yakomo. Now we are closer. We are very close. And yagro. But people are distracting you. And then come shebebre. Me say, wamo mo shen kom ni nyina omunkoda. Me, Maame Anokyewaa. Na me be shen kompa. Kroji die me shebebe muso. So what you say? Aha. Nkom shebebre koso ewie nipa dwen efiri di onyame ba be yeso. We won't let that steal our mind. We won't. And I'm making kind of Bible. Let me copy a baby. And I'm who said there. So will be a yard down for. No, we are see. Said you see in the neat here, the near train and the wise away. It immediately two be for done and a gentleman could do bonnet here ready. Meaning the last Timmy and Nipa with him. Last time you move a braco worry because of last and out our nipa ninya de opewie ye no wa brewase totally uja iso enye serious ye mu bebre ya breyase through last and ye detete ya ware obi aware wonyanya 3 months ya brenase uja enye ababa wabi ya nware no bate ya brenase abranti bi ya brenase si ye kase obi abre obi ase a ete se di obi kira woni edwiri na gu fom nye kom so obi nya chance no bre wase a brother sister nye easy si ye si ya bre obi ase a obi afoso abre wase a sister brother nye easy u be your Bible no ne di nkomo ne me no be di nkomo pa. Lust is a killer. Lust is a killer. Last year, my first program, me talk about lust. But me suffer a lot of things. But this year, what I'm going to talk about, it will go in a different way. You will be surprised. Lust is a killer. Seriously. Lust is a killer. And ma wo nyiri wu from. Na making kind Bible be o Bible no cause 2 Samuel chapter 13 me kan twi ni kakra me wi am de be fa brofo o se Amnon boni ni niwo etire asem no o se na yei achiri no na yei achiri no na David ba Absalom wo nua ba fefe bia ni din de Tamar na David ba Amnon no na Amnon nua ba Tamar enti ne ho hiahia no ma no yare na oye obabunu na eye Amnon den se obeye no biribi na Amnon wo adamfo bia wo frɛ no Yonadab David nua Simea ba na Yonadab ye onitifo se listen wasi na Yonadab ye nitifo se because will be nitifo listen na oka kire no se edienti na wo ohene ba mu wafon se da anopai worinka enkyere me na Amnon ka kire no se mepe minua Absalom nua ba Tamar na Yonadab ka kire no se koda wumpaso na petu yare nse nam se wo yadamfo na ni ate senti o se won koda ne mpaso no won petu nyare o se na se woje oja behwe wo wa ka kire no se mami nua woja behwe wa ka kire no se ma minua Tamar emre mema me aduane na onhye anuane no manim enso na minhunu na minni no ne nsem ena Amnon kodaye na oboapa yare na ohene ba behwe no na Amnon ka kire ohene se ma minua Tamar emra emmeye tetre mienu manim na minni no ne nsem na David soma ma woko Tamar enchen fie se ko unua Amnon fie na koye aduane ma no na Tamar ko ninua Amnon fie na one de odaho na ofa amore futuo na oyo tetre nanim na ochia tetre no na otoa kire dane no na ohwe nanim nso wampese odie na Amnon ka se ma nipa nyina emfiri me ho emfiri adi na nipa no nyina free ne ho efiri adi because na adwembone aba ne tirim ti na wose wopam nipa ni nyina bra ne nua ba na wi aduane no ama no wose oma nipa ni nyina because wo yo hene ba ti wutimu se enkoa ne wifo mu nyina bo wo ho they were when so whatever they were doing nti wo command wo to get out from his presence wose na Amnon ka kire Tamar se fa aduane no bra piem obi aya na aduane ma aduane ye ni ne dining table so nso wose won fa aduane ne mra piem tie na me no obedi nkomo pa fa aduane ne bra mi piem na minni wo onsem ai ese ye wa dani Levi ye tete aduane hyana num na wadi no wode nsem na Tamar fa atatre ya na ode koma onia Amnon pienum na ode riba no se oni no oso nimu na oka kire no se bra beda menchen minua na oka kire no se dabi minua emramase na wanyo se Israel mu eni agegentwie yi na medie enye mpo na mede mahohra bekro na mede mahohra bekro na wodie wobeye se Israel mu nyegentwie nubi na afei eni ohene en kokasa na oremfa me enkameo nso oba ne ye smart oka kire nsa wo pemedi ase de wo ye me nye te sa agegentwiefo ntrai sa one me beda enye sa agegentwiefo mu wo Israel koko ka kire wo hene na omfa me nkameo sa wo peme pa ka kire wo hene wo de me bema so what you say o se nanso wa mpese wo tie sa adwembone abantim to mpatie wa mpese wo tie no na enam sa ne ho ye den enam sa ne ho ye den sene no nti obra na se ne no dai enam sa ne ho ye den chen temanti obra na se saber ma ho ye den chen wa obra wase ene woda obra na se ne dai na o se enano eno o se ena eno de otene ka se tena o se tena no pi ma ontena ode tenene no sene odo a o se wode tan kese sene no sen odo a no ode don obra na se wie no wo tai no otano pa chense na last abi wuram na no ne kondo no eho na ye very important mama wo se wo tai no pa a chense ne se de na odo no na Amnon ka kire no se soreko na oka kire no se pamu a wori pamu mi esene bone a wayo mino na wampese wotie no na ofre na bofra osum no se wompamo oyi emfiri meso emfiri adi na opamo ne chi krokro muo ne chi oto krokro muo ne chi. Thank you. And so na tadie enyura you bia na ehye no sa. Oh, Maame fa English no, Maame fa English no. I'm fa English na ye mayade me boa. Ah, mayade. Mpene me. Mayade. Fedi Maame me papa English ni. Ni wi am breaking it down. Na me no wadi nkomo pam. Was say e tira sam no e English no was say the rape of Tamar. Was say after this David's son Amnon fell in love with Tamar, the beautiful sister of David's son Absalom. Amnon was so obsessed with his half-sister Tamar that he made himself sick. It seems impossible for him to be alone with her because she was a virgin. Listen to this. She was a virgin. Amnon had a friend by the name of Jonadab, a son of David's brother, Simeon. Jonadab was a very clever man. He asked Amnon, "Why are you, king's son, so worn out morning after morning? Won't you tell me? I am in love with Absalom's sister Tamar." He answered. Then Jonadab told him, "Lie down on your bed, act sick. Go down pasone ya wo te se petu yare. Ya wo te se de wo yare no. And when your father comes to see you, say to him, 'Please, let my sister Tamar come and feed me. She can prepare a meal in front of me as I watch her, and she can feed me.'" You see? Okachi ane papa sa no ye pani na waso hu de ne ba ne pache. E den na wunua ba men no aduane wo wi a omo wunni no ne nsam. What are you thinking? So Amnon lied down and acted sick, and the king came to see him. Amnon asked the king, "Please, let my sister Tamar come and make some bread in front of me, and she can feed me." David sent for Tamar at the palace. "Please go to your brother's Amnon home," he said, "and prepare some food for him." So Tamar went to her brother's Amnon house. He was lying down. She took broth, kindled it, and made flat bread in front of him and cooked it. Then she took the pan and served him the bread, but he refused to eat. Have anyone leave me, he said. So everyone left him. Amnon told Tamar, "Bring the food into the bedroom so that you can feed me." Tamar took the bread she had prepared and brought it to her brother Amnon in the bedroom. When she handed it to him to eat, he grabbed her and said, "Come to bed with me, Tamar." "No," she told him, "don't rape me. That should be done in Israel. Don't do this godless act. Don't do this godless act. Where could I go in my disgrace? And you will be considered one of the godless fools in Israel. Speak to the king. He won't refuse your request to marry me." See, some people, omo try se bi akono hye omo so, omo no beda na wo ye bra, mesraw mintimi nya boni sei. Se wo pamia mesraw. Koko mebusuafo na ye me ho ade, they won't listen. They won't. Ni nyina ne se enye last na chechire no. Eno peso no da. No bra wase. But Amnon wouldn't listen to her. He grabbed his sister and raped her. Now, Amnon developed intense hatred for her. Ahana masam no. So obi develop lust. No one would die. Right after he finished, the freshly by a hatred or taipa in your common. What tower to the leveler or general won't see us here. Because a lust and what they buy a nedo. Nti at the moment to be at the opinion and no one obey the worst enemy. So what you say? Obey the worst enemy. Was say his hatred for her was greater than the lust he had felt for her. Get out of here, he told her. She said to him, no, sending me away is greater wrong than the other things you did to me. But he wouldn't listen to her. Then he called his personal servants and said, get rid of her, put her out, and blot the door behind her. She was wearing a long sleeves gown. The king's virgin daughter was this kind of robe. So his servant took her out and blotted the door behind her. Tamar put ashes. Israel mem. So we didn't so ye nitiris mua. No sun sign into mamua. A tresen and near brepa. Or when Nibrim was a dear. On her head, tore the long sleeves gown she had on, put hands on her head, and went away crying. Her brother Absalom asked her, has your brother Amnon been with you? Sister, be quiet for now. Here's your brother. Don't dwell on his matter. So Tamar stayed there at the home of her brother Absalom and was depressed. When King David heard about this, he became very angry, but David didn't punish his son Amnon. He favored Amnon because he was his first son. Absalom wouldn't speak at all to Amnon. He hated Amnon for raping his sister Tamar. After my Bible, order 4. Whatever I read, what he I say Amnon or half sister, your friend Tamar. Make sure said the last dukrubi. Now when you do pa, ye ani di chiriba. The amaya warrior agents repenim petekua. Sabre will be a second call to be one kunu or the be 1 year. And no one some me no babekin. So obi develop lasts amount. Now was so no beda. Se nitikura na upa ubi chat to plata so the amount kopim se ubi no beda be we be brawaseno on tijai. Na so wonya di opewia hatred our build the mount a chain a dan no se wodowa because of last na wo pa no wadam a chain sa. Ma shobi bia hu se ya wani mu bebre ba ma pesu o jai na yire o ba pesu o jai ni kunu entokwa kese ekoso a obi pesu o beti na ni kwahwe ne ma 77 previousa wa chema wo omo no because of the hatred. Ni nyina ne se wo do ba no pese woni ne da wo do ebisi ye e wo judges ebisi ye wo judges Judges chapter 16 verse 15. Samson ni Delilah. Judges chapter 15 verse 16. Something with the mama on the top. Samson ni Delilah. Okay? Delilah who Samson no done. Oba so to me bremase. Delilah di akono. Edi Samson echi. Ebre Samson ase. Ema ho dia. No Nyankopon dia ma na wonyame honhom so ene gu ne ti so se wonyame honhom kanya ne ho Samson mu a wo utumi tani kromu upside down utumi tu kropon eto twene se Samson kan ho a aboa sebo utumi so ne mu sei wai ne num to ne twene utumi de say aboa aja etimi bo nipa kunu nipa pempem. But oba besia at the last a brand say, but nana come in ho. What brand say? The entire make us say no. Me too many show Facebook ha. Ghana community, Ghana memu, and Nima Ekos was safum. Awaria a good this time wa. Me chunu mo mintia se. And your last door, a lot of people married with lust. Sister, brother, no one called do. No, you're not just no better. Say you can't do kanya your friend agape love. The Bible can't say wukunu. Do you say me Christo me do asafano? And you no be na bema ne ba ede ba yo. And yet the Bible can't say oba. Do bro wants show wukuna se no. And you be no de ba yo. And if you marry to a man because of money, you are so fool. Seriously, you are aimless. If you married a woman because of her beauty, you are so full. You are aimless. You have no vision. If you go to a woman because you lust after her, sadly, we don't know between love and lust. We don't know. And Kameya say, Minianum Ghana for. We don't know between love, lust. These two things we don't know. The amount nipa nipa de ba yenche. Obi ba because of lust. Obi ba because of love. Two things you won't know. Ebe wiya. Oba besi to me kowari bema because of money. She left after his money. Oba besi to me kowari bema because she left after his money, after his building, after his fame, after niema bia wo wo. Wonya sadi ni wia. Dia kani nyina ye hatred. Nti so woko na sisika ni hobi ma. The rest is hatred. Oberima last after woman. Ede na chia amwodi amememfe. Koye wo ba no wode. Wa bra edoba kokure ni nimu. Eye last wa benene nabda. Nti wonya ye ne wodi se wom. No woni ne daba ko mienu miensa. Akola ba ko mienu free mu a. Dia kani nyina ye hatred. No wo penekunu. Wapena sino, wapena jaino, and no pia bontino ba, which is what will move so deeper. It's because and you don't know the before a last. It's totally last. Yeah, my member be queen, and my woman prayer say, because they last after us. Yeah, my member be queen, one more prayer say, because of our fame, because of our money. They follow us. I love you, darling. I'll die for you. I love you, honey. I will die for you. You are my everything. But when she's saying this, no one in the world, she sees mansions, she sees money, she sees your position, she sees your fame. That's why she will say everything. Our parents did that. Oh, mommy, to make a chawakuya, Papa will see our show. Wobeyama ne bana last after papa no sika eni ne japade but wo dopa ye de ko ware papa no woni bi nti wo konu nya de opa wobeyam mpentoa mo de ewu. Why not? She will kill you. At the said you wako store akoto tinapa wodi bana tinapa na gum ni tinama wo cherish tinapa no as soon as wo bie tinapa no so hwie de wo mu wie gu a de aka no wo de koto trash mtontra no so nimfa so sa na tie. Sanetio, most of us, we are in marriage. We are like tinapa yakoto from markets. They hold us because of something inside us. As soon as they pour it in their pots, the rest is supposed to go in the trash. They trash it. Yes. Lust is destroying most of us. It's sending a lot of people to hell. But people don't see it. My fellow Christians, I'm here. Maybe I am shishia. And I know they kasano. So one year now, it will last. And it will done tamwa. Will be wrong meat. And it will lead you to hell. It will lead you to hell. Maybe so. Hey, some member be back can cry. Some maybe back can cry. Near my platform. Some in far for about 20. Near 4 will see what me no mbeka sabi, you know. Not lot of them nay last in the door warrior. The entire Bamanichi were 1 per when you and say, Sister Nanya done what to do. He laughed after you. When you will pay you are trash in his eyes. Bra, and you don't be an sister in the war. Or better to you for some woodsy over here. So what you say, and you will last day after your money, or last day after your fame, and will be deal with you, and design your man is son, or found your bogan would wear swine, no one know for the first place. One can agenda, one more do a do or do one come, and as soon as they get what they want, should the Amnon a year, Tamar. Bible say, when you're in the develop hatred more than said you know open on who you on a man put to yari. Who's when you that thing and to say where? Ubian Kashamaneti and no when you ma just who me come to Abuja, say Nina Mina ya dom, and I'm ready Koba Mabia, Kiyakunkum maybe that them. And Kawa Yakunkum maybe, hey, and maybe is so wicked. They were so afraid. Senya Kruma Amra, natural woman, they will kill a lot of women. The same as a maybe. Senya Kruma Amra, and a natural woman, Nkamema be the Pirata, Yabe Soribiano Muda Mumpaso. Because they changed them. They laughed after their money. They laughed after what they make kwa bruchire. Let me tell you, some men will come to Ghana. They see you can tell the way on your class men panel. As soon as they mention a bruchere, we run. Our parents beg us. They beg us. To when you fear, oh, my kios woman, Madame Koji will be dear meton. Ministy can a Bermanis will do bruchere. Now, so one panel, they will beg you to follow them, to follow a man that you don't love because of a bruchere. Hey, a man who can come on country. And my money be moved back on the crumb on country. 20 intro, ye pentama kwa time. We are not going to lie. Most of us, 99.9, the men that brought us in America, in Europe, in Germany, in London, we don't love them. We follow them because of abruchery. We follow them because of ingrata. Most of women, and men may be, follow some. You don't love them. You just lust after what they can do for you. You follow them, you get what you want, and now they become like a tundra. You put them in the trash. You care less. That's what's going on. So when you meet a blue door, a Christopher door, what they go and send you so the fake is more than the real ones. And that's why most of us are marching to hell at this end time. They lust after some people's money. They lust after their fame. They lust after what they can get at the moment. They forget the long term. They forget what happened to Tamar. What Brenna Syria, you know. What Pamu Banintia Yana and until Tunsungu Nitiso or the Nsagu teacher Jadua, which will sign a Tadia and the Shenimu, would the Arawa. Sana ye mu bebre. Sana ye mu bebre. We lie love. We don't yen kana kure. Oh yente the obedient they will like misia we minya hatred. And I know say gift you say you're on my platform and I'm not going to hide anything. I can see through your eyes. Whatever you're doing is not coming from your heart. I can see it. And me can be. And no one to me watch and to me bo. Chaka bay. And our politicians. And near Christopher Etonyumu. Chaka bay. Me busao. Christo near Otunya Menyumo. Chaka bay only politicians are Otungulo. Every positions. Ewo. Sawuba Christo na wengu. Na kwa will be a winning Christo near. Namrane say, no matter what is the way so dear, you are in you Christum. Christum. Nako walia. Ubi a winning Christoni. Etime jai sofo. Minim di si no wadi no mujaye. Nti I cannot say much. But be smart, my dear. And for fame, and communicasa to me, and then SFA. And then SFA. Papa, you will be to me after the homate. And no bompaye. I dear my woman who told you. So when you mean the wound to and sacre nipa. Papa, you be to me a sonia bompaye. And you want to muada. Abo krobra. Can he? Papa, or be to me a follow. What you ma ye? I was sitting back watching. And I'm like, sometimes these people, they don't see what they don't see. A lot of Christians, in the middle of our journey in life, we wise up and choose some men and some women to suit our Christian life. Okay? We did not get that chance. And you are so lucky. You get that chance. You are a gospel artist. Gospel artists. Politicians. One demand to suffer. Politicians, mom. You are enemies of progress. I have fork lights. Me who dear. Me will fork lighter. Me the who dear. That's why I'm talking like this. It's so very sad. So when you make a second chance, see you sister, you may be more. I'm telling you, people will run for their lives. Because you choose wrong mate. And my baby is so, and my baby is so, brother bit to me from Maame Anokyewaa. Jammy yeti yami no eh. And now crow on him in Nabi. Ninyan me Christo. Naminim passe and fifi when you made in the come here. Come me wise up. Come me confirm me young Christoni. A lot of us are crying. Yan shea young kwaji be flato. Yet ya me feel and you did say sing me day in and day out. So about boy everything to me as nonsense that we go through, we can pull up with it and still smile and still tell God to say okupana makwo wi American ma wi to didie no so makra na dia kame ani nkunim dia butire. Don't last after somebody's fame. Don't last after somebody's money. Politicians, half of them are Illuminatis. Half of them are Freemasons. What are we are living in the last days. Jesus Christ is coming. The devil knows his time is very close. And he is working around the clock. He is working around the clock non-stop. What you would that or not you want now? I just was shoe be a science. Sabri we soon a stay time. It to a fefedia, edisika, every pagin, and ye making choices, wrong choices. Wrong choices. You're the last. Nibino so the meya manasheno. Me maminya no mu say yes, me so me wo ho. Maminya na nhye no mu say yes. Anti Christian for na wo ne wo ho no. Ye nyu obi amana nchile di na ntrase ankasa sister. Wise up. Wise up. Papa no e Christoni. Ye de ni gina nsani so a. Is he a real good Christian? That means you are two-faced. We are Kotroboje Christian, that's why. Because Kotroboje match with Kotroboje. True Christians match with true Christians. But lukewarm Christians, they match with lukewarms. Sunday church goers, that's what they match with them like this. Okay. It's our time for us to wise up. We are living in the last days. So we be the secondy, what bra was seer, yatin bibia. So we be the one who a bra was seer, yatin bibia, me catch mayana mubana munyan warrior. I want you to know the difference between lust and love. Yes. Difference between lust and love. If someone lusts after you, what would they are? What be hit to the no nonsense. Be anyone be an assassin with swa, a bay and fed da. Dressing cocaine, meaning, and then the fed da sister, and yes, I won't hang your foe. And yes, I will know ba, or be to me, him, no hen was a rat day. A dear no bow mini be. A dear pan mini beer, until yet me say, Nina sister. You have everything, but Nipono Bayano, one man who don't he came, he laughed after you, or Basu or Bebrewasi, or Bebrewasi. See a Brewasia. Hey, ya. Hey, ya, papa. So Nipona Sani Brewasia. Hey, ya. So what you say? Na ya Brewasi wa warimwa. Hey, there's no door to get out. There is no door to get out. So we'll be brewasi to tiko shower dimwa. There is no way out. Separima brewasi edu rawarimwa. There is no way out. So about brewasi no do rawarimwa, brother sister. There is no way out. Your breast Delilah, a breast something say ubi anka upemi. Ubi anka upemi die. Hey, day na fedie Philistine for be ma bribe. Sit down me de me. Ne wo bebia me ho de hye. Ne yenam so mrema se. Nti say you odokan na Delilah wo de ba ya. Nti ka wo don nti ka you step against your money. Ka wo be catch you to from nko sesem firi wonko. Enam say you lust after him. Nti you allow yourself for them to defeat him. Nti wudi na chinyina na wubusa no. Ede na be ma wa ho de na ba fam. Ede hi fa na wonya wa ho de firi. Wo ye ya kopim se abranti wo donti last nti ono susu ye ni tiri mu po ede kire no. Because of lust, we pour our secret out. Because of lust, we give our whole being to a person who doesn't deserve us. Yes. Bible is tema. She cries. Or to ashes going home. She tear her gown out. A sheno. A yaniya. A branti ninya du pewi yeno. Wo yen te se milk tontra. Ye shi ID milk na firi mawie. Dia kan ye tontra mon tonchene. Baby ezumi lion do be fa bia yem fa. That's what he does. And so now wo pa na wo nyanya no. Wo fa kwan bia so nya damfo wo ye nitifo. Unya damfo Jonadab awo ye Jonadab osanwan awo ye wonam fofo bi wo ya brabo ma wo maboye wo ye tiko akoko wura wade bi mu akoko relationship bi mu. We don't have to go there. And was sorry them in the churches. All these things is going on. A whole software he will last after you. When you don't can say wrong we are is over. Dia kanyina ya tete no su oba besia be bogla sort them be last after pastor we be did na namochi wonyanya say wom. The rest is forget it. Empano so papa ne prepare message no se fa wonkwase asem fa frim bai so ko wuti de meka fa wonkwase asem wona se nyame afro frim bai so ko. So what you say se pa so obeboa ne pa wotumi go asori no. What to me destroy, what to me go no. What will move? Yeah, I saw for be moved back on the cram, country. Moyino Mumu. I want to be preaching some my egg bomb on Catamutis. And so Moyino so among Catamutis and Catanichana. Nina is a move, sister. Who couldn't you walk out so won't you? Nina's a brand woman, umfano. Eh, last. When are the open into umfano? When I saw for dinner, you bullshit, I will him. And so come who ye go, Baba Bebuano. Bra! Sister, I didn't know what you were. Who children the time, sister, when you're bonio, when you want Chiam could do what you go, and you last no the buy. Me the video be to Adam, who might be as well about them, or the street it on Wosu, or Babesia Chiniku, or none of the Berman buy or Bejiniku. Sabamani do one door, and a day, my minachi, a man in the Babruchira, go on my coin, and move him on me fanning free my men in some of that. Because of saying last, dear mammy won't take and would dear chili payinty, go crazy. You see. Oh, concert mu ye. Nature itcha sad. Concert in the video ni bi. Na meti am bi chat tire ye mu bi. Too much nonsense is going on, and now we're finding one ways to bring this into the church. Now, devil is sending his children to come to church and steal God's people. Woman need that from hey. So we be chukuna. So we be sewa wadia. It is said you will come nipa. I don't blame that woman lying down there crying like you ever seen a year. Me nye sure say you ever seen my miss no ma mewa. Ko de jantre bet na kai mo kofi no akusu. Ko tie mu o parking lot. Nso nam se ya gye ne kurunti. Apame da be oni be ma ne ntamunti. Maame no eti o esa akola. Ye pata ne ba bi enye ye. So what you say? Sabama brawasia. Sana ya netie. So oba brawasia. Be please you see kaka won sam no. Ya na ntie ase wo nya korinsani wo beda ne korinsani by force. So what you say? Enye komo. Ye da nipa. That's my goodness. My God. Awani ye mubi e de yako Hades. Obe to me come on to ma 6 months ni me ho yira me ni ahoto ni nya ne sesete e ye last one ye de be fa ho wonyanya de opewie ye no uti siti na pa ye tu so wo hwie di wo mu na wie di aka no wo ye bola wo nani so wo de wo ye hia enye ye wa bra wa se we are preaching every day ye nya careful but now ni pe bi ni na ho ni pebi me gift your side me say we beto me boa mami se politician so beto ma sori na jo I dry fasting aboa wo ministry a ye bebe he won't dare do it so ni pe ni so dey effect but spiritual side aye there is a good. And this is you toy you want you change from a funnel and see you so first and ye Jimmy and you making wrong choices say so 2020 and you blow your na tell last friend me didn't pass message here me cause look at say so when your friend no when you be the rest is what I respect the man mentano cry almost your friends are hosting a doya whatever. I respect him much. But I'm asking hosting a doya. If you married a Christian woman, dear, then Christians, we urge you to support her in her Christian life. Say, lady ne perishia, we will hold you responsible. And I'm not gonna lie. Ye person was so bobet ne sheshu ne ta lady ne chi. We want to see say ni Christian level na ako aye better ako up a change se na wunyan ware no sa na Christo for ye expect sa de na free hosting na do ye expect free ho sa na meka wunyan ware na wie me ntumi nya ho hwe but ye me ojo now today and on behalf of the whole Christians ye tie ne nyom ne say ye person wo wunti ni Christo sum better no be ye more good Christian than she used to do. We expect that from you. Yes. Because Christo ni papa bia who se ni e kodech wompe. Nti so wa na congratulations, thank you. But we will hold you responsible. If this lady fall, we will hold you. So no falling that. Now your person wouldn't see track and so as a good Christian, your person wouldn't give you say you better Christian. 199.10. That's what we want from you. Yes. We need your 100% support from her. Your person will be done. So what Dania, we will hold you responsible. Sababa one Dania, we will hold you responsible. Simple as ABC. Yes. Because me the many to form. Now me should check up and they said politicians and the Christo Sumwa. I don't see clear. Nti sa wusu wa wari musician, Christian musician. That means who pepper mewrade. Udo Jesus. Into Udo Jesus. Now we want you to prove it by her. Ye pesi who e will give to your same. Ye pesi who say ni Christo suma better than first. Ye pesi who say wo be ye expert unyamimu than first. And you are the head. Mr. Ostinadoye. Who now be ye said you may amaye. Me and my fellow Christians. Yes. Well, for Leah, we will hold you responsible. You who say what Daniel, we will hold you responsible. And as a head of the house, we urge you, we dare you to do your job. Yes. Because when one can say to one way you could trouble, you could see man quite Christoson. It is a what Bamudia, you person better than my. Simple as ABC. End of story. Say your last and other choir man in Catrim, and Nim Pia Montanium party. And I gives you a say, so say your last and other choir was some man in Count Trim, and Nim Pia Bonte. All we want is perfect. Meaning the go on any Kunawari, Timmy Kohobibri. Say, meaning pa, Kamekami. But say, Jama Monsunti. And when you kuna wari you go ye dia and you know stina do you so say wari you nyam try me try bible me come try wo dia ka ye perfect wo yire wo dia ka wari ho man chichire ubiem tika wo dia wo ye good by baby na wari ba ko no e kwan fa so gya ye net sen tell us. Yes, me say this end time no say this time you see your juma no brother sister so what mo wani na wa. You will be in a ditch. Now single so. Now straight. You will last after their money. You will last after their fame. They will use that. No ma brewa say. Wumuba you so a brewa say. Ni come on. Me nada. Hey, mpempenso ye druno. Se nipa kaso wo be brewa say wo Kristo suma. My brother, my sister, you William Pabwa see ya. You William Pabwa. Ni dia say amotwa. Ni ye dane etumrika. Sabari ma brewa sia. Ni komo. Sa wa ba brewa sia. E ma bibiri ya brebre mo se wa bruchire. E ma bibiri ya brebre mo se. Sama crying. E bi ni mo su o mo da bruchire. Sama crying e wo mo da bruchire. And you come on. Marriage is not about beauty. It's not about money. It's not about fame. It's about love. The agape love. Said Jesus said to you know. Was a mono said me Christo. And the Bama no him Christo. Nes when you know what better to said you Christo does. Sabamani nim Christo. What better do said you Christo don't suffer. So bani nim Krista wo beda bre no ho ase ashini kuna say how can this be a beda na sanyema we ayiye. My brother, my sister, we are living in the last days. Akaka krebi na tutrubento ya bom akaka krebi na Jesus Christ one na bofo was so born to tutrubento anu adan e wo fu wo enfiem pem wo mo beti sound no wo mada kambenem na wo mo sorry o enye common. Our journey starts from today. And this we Christian now when you here I'm telling you to fasten your seatbelt because the flight is about to take off. The flight is about to take off. We are not here. Mr. Waba, I'm for you to share the video. Come home. Who hanko share that video. Mimpesa where the wake. But in some film send it to somebody to listen to it too. Yes. Because Uba no be watch there. And the corner you didn't seven prayers. It didn't tell my car share yet. Mimpesa where they share the video. But I'm says I didn't know. And Pempenso you do know. beba be wia ofiri nyame na ase wode ne sika be bra wase wode ne fame be bra wase wode na ho fe be bra wase sa na mpese Kristo ni ti ase. Lust is a killer. It's a #1 disease. It kills more than HIV. It kills more than AIDS. It kills more than hepatitis B. It kills more than cancer. It kills. And me fear bo. And me fear jija. And me fear to a pity. And me fear your mobo e mankola e bo asesa. Lust. He could jump up it in a I love you, Medono. When your missus will chill in Quasia for Boshe. You can't near Coshi Shabak, Kessia. 6 months' time was me die. So, woman, come last year, Nedo, stay in. You have nowhere to go. I saw super glue, sister brother. You have nowhere to go. And come to a and to turn it in the night. And from Macrum Metro, he said, dear Bonnie, don't do it. And the Christo ni papa. No, warim kunya fear. Nipani or hinti, wo was sika. Papa is so good, some bosom. Jacka bay, and the what I just say, a bosom, and you radin them. Because of money. Ye jay your mancophobia prayer say. Because of fame. Ye nyan fufobi. Ye nyan fufobi. Jonathan bufobi. No mudi mayati. Ekuya na warene. Ekuya we de say baby abebeto bia impoyim. Sika de ye de ba won chaye ntwanko. He papa yi say sika bia na sinifie yi. He wo betuma tete wo do betutu akwan. He wo obi otemanshi mu what ni wo bi da on. Who be a yesi mansion, ye didn't know no donna sa, na sister ne pet will be chitrogo, no one don't know keke, none of what who be down. Ye dear mubiachi, na sister no fool, na brother no siko, na brother no dio, and a brother know what to say, and a brother know what to say, and ye dear china prayer see. And no be crazy, so one in your bed. Last, you may be brave. The last that do crew because of Ghana movies. Or your movie no be no bida. Or any sister let the overcon on in your banana. In some way, be bracious someone to move from Piavant. Mumu be brain some make, especially Ghana, in crying in Kumase. Ni Sunyan and Hawaii. And in the Tamar and in Fantimem. Every someone to say, but you don't bring it out. Mumai be bring no young man da. If you don't know a man because of lust. They watch Ghana movies. Last that do crew you may, Emma one in your bed da. On you know. Last that do crew you kunum, Emma war funny baba. On you know. Last. Ne baba or be fanu last. Last intio ni person e wa bruche e bi no body ya jinsre penim peteku asai ye dane ntoma wo amfa nto ye diane apro atete epen e bi sunkukuam Facebook o ni obi yes but people are dying, they were crying, they were dying inside. Super healing kofu o mumpem se sumiya wa no nko beka no kra nka if I invite sumiya ko beba be jina hono ni medin komo wo beba beka every secret he gets e won pade so. Last thing tio obi nsuro so wode ne yire be kokoji sikaduro obi nsuro because wo ye tontra wo hwe di wo mu na wie wo bibia wo so ni mfaso ti so wode wo sikaduro ye kose wan wode wo sikaduro no ku a ye kose wan mi kachire mi nia ma mu nya ware mpempenso ye duru no hey wa ware ye choice bitimi de wakoji so when you vigilant now will be the last be we are obey your mobo a Christopher ya waria no turning back yo uncle phobia that JJ kunum and my goodness God. Jaya warrior anyhow. Hey, now what Jay is assassin come on to come a be 5. Come in dinner pefra. Missy come a bona joy and kiwash unia. Come in dinner pefra, Miss come over some. But I want Jay any one my Christoni. Anything yes, wise up. He you know one last time could choose Bema now Obama and four will be sick and will be famous could in a cheat. Na Jenny Bia, there is no turning back. When you miss Uchira, what you go or tie Uchiri. Into what will be called Ariana Secra who cares. Who know when you was some. After 2019, me person man in any door, me person member in any door, me person what if you know. So what the kind of wrong meat? And you last now the call ya. Enough of fighting. Enough of boxing ball. Enough of atim didier. Develop love more bad. Never am coffee mouth. After 2019, fee on to kwane tuncha. Develop love more beman. Develop love more ban. Fano sa. Na wana kofa yenye rade ni yinu free so. Akwasi prampa wase rade kasa wakwa mitie. Uyiri ni uwekuye chan wane ya kono koko fano. Unyame nyone ye. Eye wan kasa. You lust after her. You lust after her money. What last after na bruche ni dandia wasie ni fame ni niema bi ana wankasa wako sesa nipa gada na wachinya me free soro so womra me dance ni na wabe dance ni onyame so so uchiri nkwase afo boshe nti mfra ne nsan kanche nse wujai wonu ni asem wo ho nti se wo do na sa kokko hwehwe bi fa do here ko hwehwe bi fa do kunu na wari jaye wo hoyi eni wo ma Kristo ni wo pe heaven akọ awari jaye ni wo maye Kosia man kwa Kristo somfo womo na warija ye wo homa won anye ye Kristo fo kan kuchino ma won tiase asofo jaya wade enye komo asofo ma mefo jaya wade enye ko chese me jino wa me tiase ano o babasi timi jaya ni kunu uwi ana wasa ko ware ubi kunu onyum tonio wotimi jaya ni kunu Obios, yes, was me, Minyami, me, Papa, me, Mammy, come, was 12, and you want to finish so. She said, you're double. You won't go for me, and you will come out on your way, and you're not 2 years on come out. One out, yeah, and so you didn't come out. What I could do because the Papa see me was your way. On your me one session, some fun. So what you say? Me so called Christians and the Christopher ye jenja ye woman large for and cremo for woman you know what mo pesika ko he mo ko usi abusan to Range Rover ni Rolls Royce ma demo na dia na aka Pentecost ni ba no salaji na ne ma me wona tiko ko dia large echi Mumu badiai. Someone we are so much apadina. Na some shrimu kra. And for so many also. So when you be ani a more you do more peerful. Near your mouth, big tables. Now what's not now, dear Pefra. Now did the casa casimo, dear Kania what? Tell me. Dear Kania, dear. What's the BB Abechamo? BB Abecham. The enchemu you wouldn't go past them. Be a woman assassin, a chum. You need to be wise. Be wise. Christo niba, no, you will be Freemason ni bemechi. Illuminati ni bemechi, ni nansi bemanisika. Sakawa boys, ne Christopher ma, e di wo machie. Ni understand? A Drew Sunday, no ma botai, no ma shakot, no ma better sorry them will be, and so sorry for one come. What ya sorry them all, but one can Christopher. And you do much here, ya brebre, ya bread ma be blessed. Sma make a ma be blessed. Ya sister ya bra was wrong. Kafrawate. Bra, ya bra was sister na bra was wrong. wa bre was seka wo ko wi mama ye mama na wo fofra ka ne ya ka be go back no wa wo fofra no atene wo self no wa be ye wo be sister ne mam but it's too late ya bre was ni po bre was ya na ya se ni po da se ni oba wo no so what did the bre was ya ya na ya bre ya bre ye mu bebre ase kia wo mapa bi se captain common anka wie yebrim wo mu be preach pa wo be kom da be ma bre na se bi no kura nware yo wona na musa wo se be ma bia bo wuram no wa bre na se afa sister na no ye dede no na ne power wa ye powerless ya bre ni po ni be brase amema be bi ye difo akese enye difo yo adana wana dana tu wa difo circle ni keje tie difo ye wa difo pa kenya me de wo mu be ye djuma ba maybe bre wo mase ye shisho wo ye hu ye wo mapa ensampaka fo Mary Magdalene fo ana numba enye komo kombe ye powerful wo nyame adwuma maybe bia bre wo mase ama meya kadem waware bako amfa mienu amfa miensa amfa de toso nan wo hu Christ nti wa hojo want me mfa nam ye because trene na mu bi tibi de nam ye ebetena sikasa ebi wo nyame adwene mu kire nipa se bone bata wo hu a nti me ma wo mfa nam ye meka nyame adwene kire nipa so what you say nye komo ya bre mabiasia nye komo ya bre sofobi asofo papa fobi prophet bufobiase great evangelist fobi and maybe bre wo mase maybe bre wo mase o ma do makade minimum bia minim Johnny Tabenu shas yesu preachia jai she preached like nobody's business. At the end of the day, Bema Brahma Menase. Actually, I feel quite know why you hated lesbianism. Why? Timi catch we need to force and pampenso you do no. Say time bum say jata or pedu be no 1 minute. So when you careful, will be you fe. After 2019. We don't know how many people can pass through 2019 to see 2020. We don't know. We don't know from today all the way to 2020. We don't know how many people can pass through it. But we try the nation who so we need na wari abrenase. Ne yira abrenase ni kuna abrenase. Nti se de wo so de nam ye kwa awrade anim no ontumi. And it's what now that in a sunny graduate. And you won't go for me, so Nkawomu, you won't try ye, you be a coin who's the key be teach you almost someone to be a case. What's your sorry time? No, you're lesbian. Last month, be lady be. What's the Maame Anokyewaa? Me quite sorry, I'm yet lesbian with the person that I go to church with. Inside the church, a chiwadi about my lesbianism, Facebook, lesbianism. I yes, I decide I do a Yankee wash your near. Say, come here, say, as the Facebook, lesbian when you because you move. Sister, wouldn't that be woo? Wouldn't me share when you me? What dear to one another that would be fresh as so. Nesso shashi as a lesbian, and then I'll catch you ready. Obey your mopo. You be shown pressure trustful. Satan na oma wa jema odi ye lesbian no. Wo chashi se wom odi ne sebe tu kum de wako Hades. Ye be bro nipa wo bro no so ense bi enkuta banum a show day and night. Ye de moat ye film mo brika ene de wo be ye kete ama se da so. Ne ye de nsonsono aye wo dabua. Ye be show ensu komo be de wa mo chare wo se. Wo be ye mobo. Wo be ye mobo. Ene se wo chashia. Menewa kame partner no lesbian kama papa na sum ehie nsuhie gunu so amana free me so because what do ko jem lesbians and gays na tu atese wa Facebook ma 2k and 3k. Yes, you papa pato. Did you cry was saying no book of who conta? Me not doubt. Heliti your bosom here was to say, Mr. Jai lesbian, yeah, one son with the war, or Bana with the young lesbian, or young pass some kind, was so a better McQuay, or bound, or what you call him. One can say, or better McQuay, or any young Bound. Near changing you when you make us way. Just a woman in such a ready. When you know what they just got to Sodom and Gomorrah, sign your men and that's what yes, once a sign. What does so your natural young couple? It is a most swarm man. No one be drunk with you, no see him for Facebook, mamma. No one you're lesbian. Well, couldn't know you're lesbian. Well, you couldn't know you're lesbian. Well, why you jay? No, you're lesbian, sister. Oh, you're lesbian, could see the bay. Do you know the day you will die? Do you know the day that you will die? We can't say a good 6 feet under. Do you know at the cabinet? Abraham Amini Papa Niho. A summon through at the cabinet. Do you know when you're going to die? Tis a lesbian fashion. Meboa. And one of the party, I say, Meboa. And one soon do Sunday. Mokoye Yesu waga drink. But find so you when you send the tone was sent. Upon just was any radayo into a solid in the home back chichi. When it's a cell one who knew what to do, sister. When it's a one corner of Wuchason. Bonnet to Timmy Panfuse to so anymore. The Biara that when it's a Tanabaya lesbian, when you're meeting Phoebe, if you won't feel so. Until fear could down is sha. No did deal with Cassam Sano. And fear could down and stop. No did deal with Cassam Sano. Mammy Ade. Mammy Penny, Mammy Bear 50 years. Mammy Ade. He didn't feel so better by your home. I'm by Yanyak, I'm Marcus, Mamma. Why woman will make our your banana now we are lesbian. I didn't have. I didn't take to walk. And fierce and rather than all was so my inferior son was so crying you watching. A been was to cry your son Wunya. At the Caminoa, come up with the rather so many women like Namayan Sankoma, Namadia son Majanifi lesbianism. No memory be gay. Ye fan ko foto because we want to or fan here to when you get that. Ni nam. Ni your brunya mai. Your brunya mai man your mai su se fe. Me se Sodom and Gomorrah boneno. Ye dear bursa. When you me was sanya be her boneno. No dear swaka tria ba. When you chin ya toa. Men down down. When you me won through. Was one power bonnet for any woo. But what power and again sacra. And internet so as a also watching was in fear to me and Nisu Sadakro, Nana died too. Tis a yo say Radiacha, one chayo, yes, so Christos and Cancho say, one chayo, one chay. He's pleading for you. What do you go to Jim? What do you go to Jim? Lesbian teacher said he was here try. He said you were Nimaya Srahan. He said you was super. He said you was here what Hojo. Sister, and the one and can't show on some with him. Who's the way to say who? Who do you wear? And then maybe I can remember. Oh, my lesbian, let it be that's a name message. What's a Maame Anokyewaa? Lesbian ni gay back home. O yin and sassy this shine, the lesbian partner, no soon. Get no Buddha them a woo, or moody see, or garnish them as soon as soon Baba could again you. At so whom I tell you what dear Bawasum. Woo, what the demo Ghana for Akataso. Ghana for Akataso, lady in the demo, one slap, what the demo. Lesbian, Ubi walk or to already. Ubi woo, I got to already. Ubi woo, no, I got to already now. What the lesbian aided in a town. Ubi woo, I got to. Ubi walk to already, I wouldn't let you idea. I can't Ubi walk to. And Pampans, why you do? They come in and say, they do all this nonsense. Sunday, they wear their clothes and go to church. Who are you fooling? Who are you fooling, sister? Who tia sorry them with any more who you lesbian? Who are you? Because in 7 free from my papa was soon. Nina so when you won't feel because when you never or Pobe Prouse Zumila, you will not walk good machine. anything because we are never pank or boasum. I'm watching a year. We are the bar. Go the work for quite someone is what to say. Where? This is your son. Bonnie Koso, I feel you would have been Colombia. Bonio, I feel you fear, no wonder. Or so shall see the be free fear. What shall see what the be free fear? So correct, or more buttons, and they hear me one by a book of lesbians, no more buttons. Gay for no more buttons. Lesbian, no more buttons. Gay, no more buttons. You did it, sorry, them. I suffer for a moment, you refuse. When was the last time you preached gays and lesbians on your pulpit? When was the last time you preached? Said you were JC Koson and then Kofu Wari, Kofu Saya Wariano. When was the last time you stand on your pulpit? Preach like nobody's business. When was the last time? You bet some Maame Anokyewaa was say, oh, ye did it, maybe ye did it. And then they all say, ye did it. And they all say, as a Maame Anokyewaa, ye did it. Monsieur, and son of a Nanka, then no Nanka for no more Yamanasa. Me not doubt. Tina lesbian. And I sorry them, Maame for, Papa for, gay, ye fankolato. Nibinimo de year rituals. Nibinimo canter the whole area. Wish your more party say ye bua to penny, ye dear sakoba tetarubito. Lesbians have. Who are you fooling? He drew 31st night. Mubu chico who I saw them. Oba enya de we ya na we. Oba ye se wo call lesbian partner na won call den chai. Prana wo suzu jan ho. Wo ko tena 31st night say wo bomb pipe. And then you no enada. Onyame yensi na chichi o. Di nipa gu na no utwa. Ade bia nipa da sani wo begu. Wo betwa. Obone foso omfana de enchekwa. O sauti yade a obema yefunu yade de ode bema wa wo so wanya ho no ode be sopa ode be dwiri wogu fom ode be bre wase wo be ye mmobo ti na wo hia baba wa wo se menware nso wo hia na de wa ye na be kasa wa wo 5 nso no wo da wo hia na wa sopa wa ye mmobo wa ye se previous akukuku ncha wa ye mmobo cause you fun. Nibinum so semesi a wan say from nio e ma mo bosin kete go abruchire e jin kofo kunu e mema mo sin kete e go abruchire e sen kofo e jin kofo munnie mo be ye mo bo onyame ne mo obi ka mtumu nyere mo ho mumuru nyama ya medjama yisu sefi mumfa nkofo yerenom mumfa nkofo kununom mumma nkofo nhede mu ntinisio enne nesa wo ya babawa wo beye mmobo muntena se mu wia mo nso camera na mumfa mo ase medidi mo ho atam e wo Facebook mumra mo wia mo nso pa mo self mummecha ne mfonini e medi atama ne nkofo bi nya ho ma no mo hwe sana manfo be no krapa they hate it and no so they will call heaven they hate it you be drop rucha nasa me bu sami ni anum Ghana for some be drop rucha hadi nyame ni ho yesu woni a aha wo ba ye ngu mebo a nso mu bi mu wu pa bruchifu wu pa boni nentio bambo radete bo ahoho no wo ye fia ahoho so boni nti chiwade e bo man woti meja be ma hokofa o yonko ba na wanyade wodo wonsa kofa obi ni no katra makone na mo obi ase no a enya yi wa ye didi mu no na wunyade wo yonko ba mu nyina mu tie nufu a wo gina wani mu kire ban te se stick no a wo so woni ne da na ma watenka no unse Satan abopa na misu brebre sa wonim da wo bewu akwa sakra wadwenne sa shie wade di chama no sa wonim se 2020 entoa ne ka be sakra wadwen di aba yeso no sa nyame abie so akyerwa Kenya ka sister ka be sakra wadwe. Yetimi de wo ye ho se ye lesbians. Ba obi ye Kristo ni no de wo omo so wono so wose ni ye di na dem. Inshiran kan rade sa no to me fo bia ho. Somebody be ye lesbian pa ma me yonko ba. E de nasty body. Abeso so mi mu na de. Come be preaching. When you free friend here, you don't see it. They sit down because of unkofubi the last akwaria mama wari egu. Ometo se ekuya. Awari ndi o wari anya you. Ememe say omo no maybe. Fa wo yonko ba. Bible said ye na me so sinti de beba wonnie. Mo the last akwari wari mabi ya mumu nti nkofubi di wo mo ho no say just wo mo ye lesbians. Mo so munnie. Mo so munnie. And the Ghana communities, one more by so much bedin. Miss one more, I knew almost fear mon country me. I feel I knew no fear. No, I bet Nabuchina so be the Ghana for so him. No jama more echoes one lesbianism echoes, or he went to me moja and from Maba and ranches or metras in 2 of. Now I knew I wouldn't have Buchin for so bad also. Some Kurunum Ranti and Mabawa. What to mean from now see a man with the you be no say me a Georgia hine, me a New York hine, me a Chicago hine, me a Ban one hine, me a London hine. Next want to mean Chikurunum Ranti and Mabawan Trassi, and can lesbianism and Cosso, and can't you say your chiwadia, Womunya. Nahina Moodin for Soben also. Now I said, your Mupan is a Mupi Jabasia near Mamma fans. A foot to obey him from Wokruma, Musumudi Maya, yet to at the civil lesbianism ni gay. Party Nasa Wamuma, Munya Ya Wamuma. When was the last time I Musumo 2 or 4? Tikamudu Mudia and Muna suffer for so bad, Mudia, no evangelism for so would you preach. At the end of the day, Kiabetano or Krebia Kuma the Nama Christ. And the Binomidians and bro, and my pet. Ni ejeja ya wogum na ye maami no bi ombetufo no dodo no anso ye lesbians ali na moje Messi afi 2019 sakra wajino no soro hini na ben mon sakra wajino enkom sha me wode ma se sakra wajin no soro hini no aben we are going to face persecution. We are going to face tribulation. We are going to face Armageddon war. Very soon or very soon. Ye be seeing ni be bulldozer ni be seeing ni pa. Ni pe be wusenkane. If Armageddon war take place right now, ni pe be wusenkane. Ye the bulldozer ni be seeing ni pa. Oso be ka hu bia na. Na fede na unim so be ka ho na wonka ho na mo bre yi. Na wo mo bre ye. Wonim da wo be wo. And once I finish one, every day was your mafipa. Wa mafipa to afipa na to no dia na wo ye wa finim. What are you doing e wa finim? Afipa na dia to. But e dia na wo ye wa finim. Amfa so be na nipa benya wo ho e wa afipa pa na to nim. Wo be koso atra wo boni mako wo. Afi papa na woto honyum sa to no e die na wo be ye na afi papa nim onyame mo na afi papa no to so wapo wa ma afi papa na to dia e die na wo ye wa afi na wa ma na to nim enko wo die ma ne humi wo die ma no emfa so be na wo be nya wo so ni enam ni eburu nyaman enne kamya ese nipa nya sika no when you be me bi ne da these two things on for bia ho bi oni nyame to nkwanta ya pai onyanya di obedi di obehye no nya kase de dem nya fia onu nyame apepa opepa ne nsefre wurade di wo jaw asase we so akwa ba kokore ni nachi no onyanya saadi ni wi a oni nyame ni twaka oni nyame apon ni echele ma wi ase. So 31st night, I saw them wo yema. Nsema mukutie ye de mo kan ye. And someone bobra. Bra, who be koso de nsema okuti ndi kan no. Who be koso de abobra. Minim hwekura minim sofo wua. Nsema firi na no ba o 31st night. Nyansema eye bayire nkoladwo. Na mebusa wo, nsam no wo be fa bi de abo ho brade. Anso wo betie nsem papa no anansesam ajana wana ajana tuf an robese wo hyenkom wo di kutie wo ya hyenkom a enipa be ne transase so wo ngu enipa be an wo tie asase so wo ne mechene bo owi a wo tu afa wiem hwan na we be wo sakra wagye asem de they refuse to tell people. Ina se nkremofo na charged. So much charges so afere. Na nkremofo bi tumofo, mo charge na mo nwie. The charge that you charge is nothing, my brother Sule. Give your life to Christ Jesus. He is the only way, the only truth, the only life. And to trust him there, and go bow. So when you Christ, what to trust him in that you will be work or shit. Mon fama suffer for me bro preacher samote. Ye shem come fa de say shake hu de onse mo charge by ye preach kroje mo tis mo so mo fa nya djuma. So obi ko preach so mo tie. Preach ya kasi akosoa. Jesus Christ is the only way no. And no de monte. Bakajiba ko Alaji. Bakajiba Bakajiba, they say, and Nabi Isa is the only way. That one, Bakajiba ko. Alaji, that one, dear Bakajiba ko. Jesus Christ died 3 days time. Oh, sorry, you know. Alaji, that one, dear Bakajiba ko. I know you want it. Preacher kasi akoswa Yesu bo enkremofon sakra ani Krishna fon sakra Buddhist ni bahai aposomsomfo monsa eno de monte o eno e mun kashashi hey mun shajini share you drink your blood hey osofo hey mun kashe kakaji hey mun break ya sorry so what. Give your life to Christ Jesus. You also, you are in danger. So one sakra wajem fa one Krista, you also, if you die today, you are in danger. Think about that. Comes to the Father, accept through him. Someone de Muhammad Christo, no mo be siam trust them na. Kenya nese will be den commission to futrugu monia bria kak na kasheshi. Mun na mu shajini shikaji. Hey, we drink their blood. Hey, what's up na ya me yache. Hey, yeah. Nonsense. Give your life to Jesus. Kai kaji ko. Was one body boy for the war? Will be anyone more tears as this one? 1 year to Christ, when you remember back up and you be down da. You lie bad. Your papa, if you would you come back 100 times, you lie. Yes. Yes to Christ, I may who best several times war. Me who know baby and I decide I Muhammad never. Jesus Christ never. Even in my dreams, I see a lot of Muslims. I saw they start shouting, Muhammad is coming. And I said, no, it's not Muhammad. It's Nabi Isa Ajia. Look at me. This is Nabi Isa that he is coming right here. I feel I feel I see it in my dream. nonsense and give your life to Christ. So we'll give your life to Christ. Now be sure trust him, then you will know who Owusu Bempa is. But so for whom my Christo no de bia kache kakaji ko mun shaji nin kakaji mun kashe kakaji who be kuma obi for. We don't care. Says some Muslim a religion of peace there, we don't care. Say a peace there, we don't care. We sit down and ya the yenye brabo et preaching ni pakro. I was say come on my brabo mo Owusu Bempa small boy. I was say come show maturity. No Owusu Bempa small boy. Yes. Say ka was somebody Owusu Bempa no see Jesus Christ na yi a kira ne say hwan ka was say come share trust am ya. Come de be mama na ye small boy. And nam say mun shi ntu somebody to trust am na ko. To trust am so solve problem. To trust them no ma go heaven. You lie. Hey, I love Muslims. Muslims will be fear. If fear they half Muslim Christians. It be a Buddhist. It be cry abosom. It be awoyo phone now be fear. All these religions, it be will be fear until when I start talking about them now. Me shen. I pray for all these Muslims. So when you see Middle East, a lot of Muslims, Jesus, you know what the me say when you say, one shall see you know what the Muslims or more Ghana. Nemo boys, when you know what the what's the high number we are say, but the Nipa do soon say high. No, what baby I say, Nansu Nipa, I do some as an high. Don't 316 I'm the sour Napo. Our election day, no, when you maybe just to the Bumatain, including Muslims. Was the God so loved the world, he gave his only begotten Son. And whosoever believe in him will not perish. Since I won't believe in Jesus Christ, you've already perished. And if I was you, I won't be violence. I won't call my boys to destroy churches. I will call my boys to say with him. Bible now, let's go look for the founder of that Bible. Who is in that Bible? Jesus, right? Then let's look for that Jesus. Niye no nko kasa no nche no kure wom. Niye nyusu the same Bible ni fa me papa Owusu Bempa ni so. Sana wo se kidai nkremofo mo ye. Se Owusu Bempa the Bible be dada mo so de be shankom so hu nyame dia. And you guys go back and look for that Christ. Owusu Bempa didn't throw no. Na mo ko pe no kure won fa nka me mo so. Wo de no kure ne be pefe. Obeyi di akere mo. Then when you are coming with this sword. We then you would the we never. But you refuse to listen. You refuse to listen. Me fear. Me to me preach you me fear and cremofo me catch on say yes bo Jesus Christ one never buatay when you media to muni nyasha bansa. They refuse to listen to me. They think I'm crazy. They think I'm crazy. Me and my sister Midinachi were you Buddhists. I preach them. They refuse to listen. They think I'm crazy. Yesu Kristo na be buaten. Tika mo hwe Yesu a nka hwan na odifo bi oso obey mo wakadreke. Wana ke beta de dabri tsa sorry asusu na da ye be febe e de wuwo e be cheche mo kon waya. Chief Imam Wungu or Betinabo. chi emi so mewu me nkyene bo nipa bi nkyene bo ana obi ato na nansesem na wode ne din abefrem hanam se munim bible ni nti na wode no ne din abefrem se munim bible ni mu na munim die awurade ka nka o ka o sha ase se wo ma prophecy na nka mo teach na mo sere che nso wai dia chief imam ba e wo so obi ayade enye obe show maturity no ono so betena hanom o so be mpaduru wakakaji yes o so be mpa wo ye kwasia. That doesn't solve problem. It does not solve that problem. Show maturity. Come there and talk sense to him. Talk sense to him as a chief imam's daughter. But wait there, we shall jay jolly. But them near baby you want to ma. Who's what they get the kiki no be a hell. And Pempenswa Yedruno, Mrs. Wanya Yesu Christo will be tok. Jesus Christ won't only answer. So, Papa Payetia, you are done. One was so could see baby mayo, our John 14. Was someone you and Uncle Pony, Miss Munimini, not be a pea or major fear, and yes, I'm coming Cassame cock see baby mamma. Less I'm economic could see baby. Miss Simon Baba, Famana baby, I may want Mosuma coho. Chamufi say yes, watching now, who could see baby. I'm a wonder what Jenny dear. Tis one you near. Now say yes to Christo. Now could you and Yankupon ko dia and kwa nyabi or someone you and Yankuponi. Na me so yes to Christo when you mean Sano kai. Ntu ba je wo mu mienu na adi en san ba ko nko ba ko. Enti so nyame yefia Yesu Christo ye do no man hye ne do no won Christ ye fa ne mu ne ewuram wo fa mpoma mu ye beto tuo. Wo fa mpoma mu a wo ye kromfo ye bebo wawie. Sa Yesu Christo no na me kamfo ne dina man kramofo am pempenso yedru no ebeye me yo se me nuanu nkramofo bi ko gem ebeye me ya me ya me srewrade so wonna ne ho di nkyere nkramofo no wo so ya damasefo ni bia wo mo bo after 2019 onya me man Kenya nse wozongo ense won nkramofo Misrewrade woman nimra wo so woman Kenya nse walimam fo fie malam fo ni alaji fo fie woman Kenya nse ajiafo woman Kenya nse wasabonzango woman Kenya nse wayalawa woman Kenya nse walima onyame man Kenya Jesus Christ man Kenya nse wasamia be. Yes. You need clarity wada. We don't have much time. Sample we grace period. Sample kriya kai. Uswan sheye. Na sata we power. You are done. Wasu be shine ho magu na mnyina so. Sa grace period. Samo chai. No be ya dom no come Israel for back. You are done. You are done. We don't look for anything. We don't look for money. We don't look for houses. We don't look for marriage. We don't look for gold or silver. We look for Christ Jesus. Jesus Christ of Nazareth. Sabri, onana nipa biara. Obadem babi odini titusum yeso. Sa papa inu washishano. Sabri yenjije sika. Sabri wonite fobiara. Jania jene krankwa. Because we're so in a bay. We are living in the last days. We are living in the last days. We don't have much time left on the floor. And Pempenswa Yedruno, so we dear Gura, we will catch you. A Jumana Okoyana. A Jumana Okoyana. So koya ye hwe obi bia ye se ya fa me wa. Omo fiti ya na ye do to floor se koya adwuma. A gradual process. Ubanya me mo just so humble in the place that he wants. No de ho ho madom. Nti ye ba nye se ufiti ye bum. Ye adwuma ye ba na adwuma ye. Nti bra. Never humble self totally. Na won free suru musuru fa na dom fa no. Bra no won gredi wakoma. Ane wa jene. 31st night mo me brempa ya ba na boy erade boami o na me dan ni mintimi si me kai ya me hwehwe adwuma wa ahwe o erade we dia fi we dia ware de de wo to be pompa ya kase erade afi we die fa me kan kwaje ma ho na me se me pasa me no nanti o na so na mi amiro onya mi hu ma sani biro besha mi ma sami bra no na mi bompaya meja wasuru udie wunin die hiame meja wasuru udie wunin die hiame meja wasuru udie wunin die hiame enunti jimio eradi jimio sawani mia ojifu biara niwa misi odima fue di yahusha. Did you pray? Did you pray? Say Eradi Jimmy after 2019 Eradi Jimmy oh for me come man. Did you pray? Eradi Sobimo, did you pray? Eradi Dani when you hear me David Ba, did you pray? Did you, if you call him, he will turn around? Or the friend in the team of Fred David Ba, whom he more bought or turning around, or turn the channel when you're Mayarsa. So when see him of Fred Jesus Christ, he will turn around and look at you. When you're turning around, he'll say, boom. The entire friend also obey. What's the he need to cane, not the cane ye know or the back home. I feel the way that he need nothing in the hole, and the ye know now send so on from mom. Or no, so we need no more daddy. I need nothing, and no more daddy, or ye no more daddy would need. So what you say? Only the phobia to the clan Kong. We are living in sister. What that I ever asked? Who knew the number you want? We are seeing why you soon. Yenit your pansu ya who be biaro. Did you see near you summa yenit who be when it cheers who be bia? If you are saying you sum when it cheers who fuck like the doom and yejuma. Sabri, yes, someone day after radio. Yes, someone day. So what you say? Miss Rojidi ni Christoni, we a Christoni a Gene. Yeron, Shaskoso show Sapomuncio. What's what you could trouble J to say, Danny, never you good Christian, perfect Christian. What's what we Nimorate may come for Naman. What's what last year? No one would dear dance here. So Christo so you could trouble J. This year, dear, 2019, dear, you're fully Christian, straightforward. In Chen. Because when you're me, when you're serious, when you know what that Jesus Christ, he only work with serious people. One more vision, and this what do and didn't know sorry. Down Quentin Aqua sorry, and Nabibia will be in Tia Shaman come. So for one movie, Mama can't be a software sham come as a moka. More than come shut that woman, Emma the woman who you cry. I was so mechanoma fans. More. Me buy a missing beshan coming. Send comment na misha gui. Nkomisha papa ben attend the misha says here. Nkomisha one a misha quay. Na someone suffer for no motive way. And some come here be shabia. Ntiki yankoya nim. The beer you kwa sorry. So same, nothing change. The same thing, nothing change. Now mo betimi nkofo so bre wo mose. E ma obi akwa ma ne mra wasate. Bra, so what bre wo yire na se a, onyame se wo kira wariguo, nti kososo wo yire mu. Baby abakwa for don de minim. Don. Ko nkutu dwanim ko ka kire Yesu. Sa wo the last ne ko fa oba no. Wo ne ne dawie ye wo ba ko mienu. Ne ho da tu afiri mu. Tu sere no a waye bone. O ma odoni bi extra ne fa do oba no. Nyesa wo nim na wo ja ware ni se wuo. Oba bi a wo ko ware ni bi a no ne chempena onyame wonyi ntu. Eno so kire se wuo a wo ko hye. Simple as ABC. Sister. Papa no ni sekenti na akwa ware me wa. Na bro kire ntia. Se se wunya de open no ndo biom. E kire se ye last. Onyame so wo kira ware gu wo ja epe. Obesa ne bo ofiri so be bo tirim. Obe kum. Wo obekọ hye. Enti konko to danim. Ko ka kire ware se wo sra no. E do no o ma obi. You lie to yourself. Nti se ayi fidie na you. Ti wo hu mo bo no o ma odo ni bi. Ne kosofa do be ma na kopem se wono asafo gade be sane. E wa wo chen. Okota tu kom se de me die dam kom yi. Ne say chiwo. Say yo de yo. It's your own money that buy that. Deal with it. Quitters never win. Don't quit. No quit ya kwa. Who couldn't na was a kawari na u janet. Ono so wawari obu. Na waje yo so be jana wakofa ukunu no kan. Ono so obi de ne ko. Nti ono so bre. Waso odin nti so ukunu so bre. Bra, waso odin nti so wo yire kan. Ono so wote baby wo bre. Nti chance no enye ni mu aso. Mesi aye me hwe me baby ai samoti aman no. We sha na we sha. Match together. Omo nye together ni few of them. Obi aye Maame Anokyewaa ni se wiase fokọ o ma ware ko ye ni nyanso mu o wiase nti Satan be ma wo mu ni age. Se wo ma ye ne dia. Tie be eni beje sa na tie. But the moment abako ni be bia ko Kristo ho no. E wo na be hu nipa wo ware no. Wo jai so enye yie. So wo di Awurade anim kan. Tu be ye mo bosse. Nti na me ka kire wo Kristo ni bi o pe heaven akọ. So one who make mistake here and the atwam. So afedi be hwehwa hoden wo de betena ware na se. Ano to ame metima ware ase na wo wagai. Ye nyina yetim. Wo kwai. Mimitim tu so tenem. Wo tenem no so nyeza wo tenem wagadreg. Wo de wo dom mapa. Wakoma mu nyina. What do you miss? What do you do? Kai nice one. The unya mete so be hu se nya wagadreg. Enu bi na wo de be do papa. Enu bi na wo de be do pa. Don't do it. What do you unya me wo hu adwen nyina wo suba. What do you pa don't do? Me so wo be do. Wo me say no wo didi na tema se wo be frɛ ni miwura. Wo be ye mopo. Wo se wo be frɛ wo yire my darling. What do you pa don't do it. Wo be don obi no oba so don ho ye fo wo be sa obi wo de opa don't do it nature she form na hedi bi sie so onyame na kofa bo beka entire me mfa no na Maame Anokyewaa emse no onyame kunu emse no wo se don no wo se don ye be do nyisa wo ye mfa nto ano me de ato no ade amemene mfe koso wo se de nam no so sintiri be ba wonnie Maame Anokyewaa se nyame se awarija yenye. Me de men kasaba ono anabeko. On kasa ono anabeko. Wo pam no ono anabeko. Nti fanto na ode ato ne chese wo ne firi wo. Onyame wo ye honhom. Tu fiti se na wo ba. Wo ye naked wo nani so. Wadwene mu nyina. De wo ye nti papa ni dwane no. Obeka nto agensi. De wo ye nti maame no pa ba bi de ni tira fa no. It will go against you. Nti me no wa be do no. Nti afi we renew your love. Dono kanisha wakurem. Na oni ni nsu nyame asem. Wo bompa ye no wo bro nso you will stay. Na wo so so wo ye obi sa nso mfa ho ni obeye mombo. Wo de wasema yi che obi a. Wo obi ye papa to wasi you. Na so wonti ni case wo betete ni kopem so obi wo. Wo fudi ka fa nsem obeye mombo. Wo de wasem de ye ni o. Wo mfi you wo de ye beto. Obey was to the level. We who baby. didi asem mimi hu bi mi ankasa me hu bi papa bi ne yira me na omusan he mi ankasa me se me hu bi omu bu me kwase bi enam so omanyini cha me ntimantuma ankasa da komete wa ma da menam mi hu ya me se de me kokot pepe sekuta na yiri be sei pepe sekuta wono ankasa so be sei minim ho hwe ye de me kokot mi duru koto pepe kuta wo mini bi kesi kura ye de mabakoto wo minim ye be bu asem na gumi ye wie ye no ye bu asem na gu wo ma wo kuta pepe se no because na matuma ginem ni mitirimu ye fita na mi nifo ye bu asem na gu wo mo so seki ye bu gu me so a kenye ne sam tia me kasa yi ti hye ni ye ni asem wo hu mamu anwu so 2 against 1 no mu ye 2 ti ko mu go against me ye be tutu ya no ye bubo me a me nko ade no pepa bi enkuta me ba ye bu asem ni gu wo mo so nti dipem last na me so for wedding komo o se Maame Anokyewaa me kishio se de unu bi say dipem me hu se di sitie se di so bi dipem a esitie nti wo yiri na ne te wona ya osa hiri hwe no wanku difo won panifo nanim si di asem no ne bubo wa bra sister se bubo wa obeye mobo e wo mfofo mu obeye mobo ti sister na take kokoma wo bom pai man jama ka se wawie o susu ja na go pampam se onima erade kunu mobo erade fa onsa kan no siwa no wadende kwasi bom pai man wo susu ja na go mobo sister je wo de ye bra na wo guni koto dwenim ne akonchene wo bom pai man jama ka se wawie hey it dangerous for you so onima it danger for you so onima ha the yesu command no wo ye so we fra komamu susu a resource beba utira ni yi wo be mobo nti be careful mo nimra wo so and so you do no we don't play games shedi abrantie awo ahode che wo bi won ko bre na se mfa wo sika nko bre wo bi ase mfa wo fame nko bre wo bi ase mfa wo ho fe nko bre be me bi ase wate ne nwie ne ntan no nyame bu atentene ne kamichiro afi 2019 ebe ye dwedwedwedwe ija no be so no butu uti tekora ebe kachiro truth, nothing but the truth, nothing but the truth. Sibi kunkura ibeka tinne sa no be a lesbian sasa ne mafrifio o lesbian partner eni ni nyai boy na oni ni ye gay no eni ni nya na nim da du ne jale ko nko to denim ko pa Yesu cha so waye chiwade ente se ade asai na sorry dan wo se ye mu no obetena obeye ye tena bre wonimu na wodi wono ne tena bre ye lesbian dan wodi ye gay dan abortion jamai dan krono ne ntinchicha be ye dan kasa we fa wodi afi 2019 mfa wurade ni agro ye badeju mfa wurade ni agro misre wonyame nsima mabobo shidio waso wontie di woni asonkoto diditi misre wo diditi wuta wonum no ro a ye bedi wo betima nyankwa wonya koto diditi na wonum no ro a wo ye betima je nkwa misre wo wie pe fansi wo na ni nya fita sa wo so woni aso ni kokoshe di wo wasonso nsima mabobo so yi wontie na memeti wo mini asem eye ready na wasem hweye na wa ma Amnon ene e say ni super bonia Jonadab de man no ajembonia Jonadab de man no e ma ni bre ni niase no hweye ni bia matim hweye no wa mra obi ase unya daje kenkan 2 Samuel chapter 13. Unya dajia kinkan ho nyina kosi si yebre obi asiwia se di yisi tano o taye beda saye ne nipa ntam enye komo kachiro nitifo me say 2019 la ye this we say enim de adru ni so obi de next week team obeti team obi de next just say ebe to so sa obi anim nti obi am fasting the seed bet obi anyine ye obi amwa no obi ansisi no because who na watemu daba and no one knows. Last year abrantie bi ye na ne preach wa Peter o accent em so free no for baby boy yipa na me penasem tim John mu tim Peter me woulda hwe last year by this time no okra na me preach a Germany be chemba mu hene no sia no wo hwe me and me to mani a me hu na okra. No one knows. Asia eradia cheto na no one knows. Nti ye nitefo yesa abo achechede obi na to nyo se maya achechede medamada kamo mi wu baby a munsie me ya achechede ne dawada kam ewo hon konkro mu na wo peto wu a anye gonto so wo hu baby a woko baby a ye bo awura no register no ye nim baby a wo wu sunsumo ebobo firiba we don't know. And then begin a year fasting your seatbelt. Who could she have wine, you know? Nadia Munu, Nadia Wiaso, and so a boo. Yow corruption. I'm probably no boat 2018. I'm wow, which I will initial with your tunes what was the time. Correct yourself. Correct when you mean say. Forget about this world. Forget James 4:4. Was say, Mamma for we are said for woman say, member, or Mamma for we are said for James 4:4. Be honey and call. I mean, can ye? James chapter 4, verse 4. James chapter 4, verse 4. You wanna me make it sure. James chapter 4, verse number 4. James in the Yakubuna. James 4:4. Aha, Yakubu. Thank you. Was say, say Yakubu mumano. Etire nine and chichemunai. Was say, our say for Munim say, if we are said down for fa, ne otania, etani winyankupon. Enti, ubiara, or pese, or ye if we are said down for no, Gina Hose, winyankupon tamfo. She in one for we are said down for. No one me jina so nyame tamfo di o fa wi se damfo ye di o ye di ade a e wo nyame chiri ade a wo nyame mpe sa nipa no tutu o fa wi se damfo o bi jina so nyame tamfo hwe yi no wo hu se wo nyame tamfo so what you say wade na wo kono nipa kono na wo kono wade na wa ware agya no o se di ntina na wone na ware na eguye onyame so wataware gu nti di onyame ta no wo kwa support me ba watu wata de hye wona ani abre na wo kwa wedding nas wo kwa support di onyame ta ho afi 2019 yenye ne sa yenko ne sa yenko ji nkofo no me megu ye so nti mo ni nte be wise na John 10:10 ne kai wo so wi fo no wo ma wo agese wo be wia no wo kum no wo sell ye nitefo ni kureti woda misre wurade so se obi biara wa sinkete so obesuma wurade ye no Yesu Kristo nkosa nipa ne moa sa nipa no nyame hu mobo utu nan na wontu bi nka ho se wo make mistakes bi na woni aba wo so a onyame hu mobo no mfa wo ne nchaw no ombi kwan foforo ma ni timi sum no na sum ni ye misre wurade ma Jesus Christ me da wase shawa ni munyame yokase so wodi nkonim me da wase so obefa masiu na so no akasa kire wo ma Mpai bone se masem nkugu asase paso na enso mo ho na sadanse akase frechiri ba yemfa wase deni meda wase so wadi nkonim wadom no nti amen odofo meda wase se me so me bae utie me